I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we have a story about a snake was found napping in a bar manager's desk drawer. Look at this snake. Can you imagine seeing that? Oh my God. An Australian reptile wrangler was summoned to a bar manager's office to remove a snake found relaxing in a desk drawer. Stuart McKenzie of Sunset Coast Snake Catchers 24/7 posted a video to their Facebook page. Oh my goodness, people still use Facebook, showing the capture of a carpet python found taking a nap in a Queensland bar's manager's desk. McKenzie said the snake had apparently been sleeping in the drawer all day while working in the. Oh, come on, you can't tell me this. This is super scary, right? The video shows Mackenzie carefully placing the snake in a bag and releasing it into a tree in the wilderness area, I guess, nearby. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this is the video right here. Obviously, I cannot play this video on my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel will most likely be demonetized, canceled, and scratched from the internet, YouTube algorithm. But yeah, I mean, you can see this. Oh my God, it looks like a big snake. I don't know much about snakes or anything like this, but I guess this is called a carpet python. Anything called pythons scare me. I don't know if they're like venomous, right? I don't know if that's what they do. I feel like pythons are the ones that will just like strangle you to death. But that's a big boy, right? That's a big boy. Maybe it's small. I don't even know. I can't really tell, right? Like you can't really tell from this photo, like if this is a big draw. I'm pretty sure from the video you would be able to tell a little bit better. But man, I live here in Las Vegas. There's some snakes right out here like this, but I would lose my mind if I saw a snake like that. It looks like if you just stare at this photo, still, it kind of looks like the snake is moving, right? There's some type of optical illusion. Like if you just literally just focus in on the snake and just stare at the snake, it kind of looks like it's moving. Some kind of optical illusion. Maybe it's just me. But yeah, let me know your opinion of this story. Oh my goodness, Australia. I'm Jason, the world is yours. Today we had a story about a snake was found napping. How do you even know if a snake is asleep or awake, right? I wouldn't even know. But a snake was found napping in a bar manager's desk drawer. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button. And please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.